Hi, this is James from the Hornbill Technical Support team, and this is a short tutorial to show you how to configure the progress of a BPM and how to make that visible to the customer. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into the File, Manage Settings, Process Settings, and back into our change process. If you haven't seen our previous tutorials around BPM, I suggest you watch them first before going through this, because we've already configured the whole process, and we have also configured or created the process progress milestones. So after doing this, we've not actually set this against each one of the stages. So that's what we're going to do next. So within the process stages, I'm just going to go into our first one, and within the on status change, where we set the actual progress to go to, the process to go to the next stage, I'm also going to set the progress here. So I'm going to say gathering information, and so I'm going to do that from every stage going forward. So classification. Next we've got authorization. Performing the work. And review. There we go. So that's going to give you a visual representation of where you are with the call, and it's really handy. So I'm going to show you this by logging a change request against Alan Castle. So test call. I'm going to select process, and just going to log and accept, and just leave it there. It's call reference 19, so I'm just going to log out and back in again here for self-service portal. I'm going to my requests, so I haven't quite got here yet. There we go. So I'm just going to go into call number 19, and what you'll have here is business process details. So as you can see, this is our milestones that we had set up: 5%, 20%, 30%, 80%, 100, and each of the stages that it's at. So this is quite handy. So this is, remember, we set up the working information. When it's completed and it's gone to the next stage, this will show the completed information, gathered information. So this isn't just something that's visible to the end customer. You can see this within the client as well. So if I open up the call and go to progress, it's exactly the same view. So it's quite handy both for analysts and customers to see how far along the line you are for this particular change. Again, you can use the same thing for every single other call class, incident, service request, release, and it's quite handy. So if you have any questions around that, let me know, but it should be pretty simple to set up.